The McGard Door Lock offers 24-hour theft protection. On an upper or lower door hinge, place the magnetic paint protector included in the kit onto the body, centering it just below the hinge nut. Using the appropriate driver, socket, or bit, remove the existing hinge nut. Insert the key tool into the hinge lock and engage lock nut pattern. Thread the lock into the hinge by hand. Using a 1/4-inch ratchet and the key tool, tighten the lock nut to approximately 80 to 90 inch-pounds. Do not over-tighten. Remove key tool and paint protector. Repeat this process on each of the other doors, using only one lock per door. Store your key tool and paint protector in a safe place so you can locate it when you want to remove your doors. Your Jeep Wrangler doors are now protected from theft, and the McGard hinge lock never needs to be removed for normal day-to-day operation of your doors. McGard, the world's best theft protection.